Hi everyone, I am Sharmila, working as faculty of computers in Sanjeev College of Arts and Science. Welcome to the online classes. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on Open Source Database Unit 3 Section 5. The topic is mathematical functions in SQL. The mathematical functions are used to operate on numeric values. It accepts one or more parameters. It produces a number as result. For example, it can be represented as follows. Okay, the first function is absolute function. The next function is floor function. Next, greatest function, least function, square root function, power function, truncate function, round function, sine function, cos function. These are the mathematical functions. First examples. First example is absolute function. The functionality of absolute function is used to display the absolute value of given number. That is, it converts negative number to positive number. Okay, absolute function is used to convert negative number to positive number. This is the command. If you look at this, select absolute of -100 from table name is dual semicolon. This command is used to display the absolute value. -100 is converted to the positive value plus 100. This is the absolute function. The next example is select absolute of -6 from dual. The -6 is converted to the positive number plus 6. So 6 is displayed. Okay, this is the absolute function. Next, floor function. The functionality of floor function is used to display nearest value. Okay, this is the command. Select floor of 2345.78 from dual. Table name is dual semicolon. The output is 2345. The nearest value is displayed. Okay. Next, greatest function. Greatest function is used to display the greatest value. Okay. Next command. This is the command. If you look at this, select greatest of 23, 67, 90, 123, 78, 50 from dual. In these numbers, the greatest number is 123. The highest number is 123. So output displayed in 123. 123 is displayed. That is the greatest function. Next, least function. Least function is used to display the least value. If you look at this, this is the command. Select least of 34, 21, 67, 11, 89, 9 from dual. In these numbers, the least number is 9. So 9 is displayed. Output is 9. Okay. Next, square root function. The functionality of square root function is used to display the square root of the given number. Okay. This is the command. Select square root of 16 from table name is dual semicolon. The square root 16 is 4. Output is 4. 16 square root 4. Okay. Next command is power. The functionality of power function is used to display the m power n value. Okay. This is the command. Select power of 2, 3 from dual. The power 2, 3 is 8. 2 power 3. Okay. 8 is the output. The next function is round function. The functionality of round function is used to rounding the number up to required digits. That is, this is the command. Select round of 5.86 from dual. The rounded number is 6. The nearest rounded number is 6. So output is 6 is displayed. This command is used to display the rounded number. Okay. Next, truncate function. Truncate means delete. Delete function. The functionality of truncate function is used to truncate the number up to required digits. This is the command. Select trunc of 64.5678, 2 from dual. That means two numbers are deleted. Last two numbers are deleted. The output is here. If you look at this, 64.56 is the output. Okay, two numbers deleted. After the output is here. Next, sign function. Sign function is used to display the sign values. Okay, this is the command select sign of 90 from dual semicolon. The output is 89399664. This is the output sign 90 value. Okay. Next, cos function. Cos function is used to display the cos value. This is the command select cos of 45 from dual. Cos 45 value is here. If you look at this output 525321989. This is the output. These are the mathematical functions. Next, open the SQL command page and run these commands. Open the page. First, connect. Okay. Username is system. Password system. Connected. First function is absolute function. Absolute function is used to display the absolute of a given number. It converts a negative number to positive number. Okay. The command is select absolute of -100 from dual. Dual is the table name. Semicolon. Press enter key. Okay, this is the output. Absolute function is used to convert negative number to positive number. So 100 is the output. -100 is converted to +100. This is the output. If you look at this another example, select absolute of -20 from dual. Semicolon, enter. Okay, 20 is the output. -20 is converted to +20. Okay, this is the absolute function. Next function is floor. The command is select floor of 2345.78 from dual. Okay, floor function is used to display the nearest value. This is the command. Press enter key. Output is 2345. This is the floor function. Next function is greatest function. Greatest function is used to display the greatest value. The command is select greatest of values are 23, 45, 60, 100, 800, 9. Okay. From dual. Semicolon. Press enter key. Output is 800. This is the data. 23, 45, 60, 100, 809 is the data. In this data, the greatest number is 800. So, greatest function is used to display the greatest value. So, this is the output. 800 is the output. Okay. If you look at this another example, select greatest of 100, 300, 500, 8, 9, 6 from dual. Semicolon, enter. 500 is the greatest number. Okay, this is the data, and this data 500 is the greatest number. This is greatest function. Next, least function. Least function is used to display the least value. The command is select least of 2, 45, 1, 60, 90 from dual. Okay. Enter. 1 is the least value. This is the data. 2, 45, 1, 60, 90 is the data. In this data, the least value is 1. Least function is used to display the least value. Okay. This is the output. If you look at this another example, select least of 15, 12, 6, 45 from dual. Semicolon, enter. 6 is the least value. Okay. If you look at this, 15, 12, 6, 45 is the data. In this data, the least value is 6. So 6 is displayed. Okay. This is the least function. The next function is square root function. Okay. The command is select square root of 25 from dual. Semicolon. Press enter key. This is the output. 25 square root is 5. Square root function is used to display the square root of the given number. That is, if you look at this, this is the output. Okay. Next, if you look at this another example, select square root of 16 from dual. Semicolon, enter. So, square root 16 is 4. 4 is the output. If you look at this, 4 is the output. Okay. Next function is power function. Okay. The command is select power of 2, 3 from dual. Okay. Press enter key. This is the output. Power function is used to display the m power n value. Okay. That means 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is the output. If you look at this, 8 is the output. So another example, select power of 2, 4 or 3, 2. Okay. From dual. Semicolon, enter. 9 is the output. 3, 2 means 3 power 2. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 is the output. This is the power function. Next, round function. Round function is used to round the value. Okay. So the command is select round of 5.86 from dual. Semicolon, enter. So 6 is the rounded number. 5.86 is the value and round function is used to display the rounded value. So this is the command. So output is 6. Okay. Next function is sine function. Sine function is used to display the sine value. The command is select sine of 90 from dual. Okay. Enter. This is the output. Sine 90 value is 0.89399664. This is the output value. Okay. Next function is cos function. Cos function is used to display the cos value. The command is select cos of 45 from dual. Okay. Semicolon, enter. This is the cos 45 value 0.525321989. This is the value. So these are the mathematical functions. in SQL. Okay. Topic is sorting query results. The first one is derive data in ascending or descending order. MySQL allows data from a table to be viewed in a sorting order. The rows retrieved from the table will be sorted either ascending or descending depending upon the query. First, create the table after performing ascending or descending order. Okay. First, create the student table. The command is create table. Table name is student. The fields are student name. Only one field is declared, that is student name. Student name is character data. So data type declared in varchar of size 20. Okay. Bracket close, semicolon. Press enter key. Table is created. After create the table, the values are inserted. The command is insert into student values. The first student name is ABC. Second student name is XYZ. And third student name is PQR. Okay, after inserting the data, the output is here. If you look at this, this is the student table. The fields are first name is ABC, XYZ, PQR. Okay, this is the output. Next, first display the data in descending order. Okay, the command is select star from student order by student name. This command is used to display the student names in order. Okay, order means one by one. That means smallest to biggest. That is alphabetical order, A to Z. Okay, this is the output. In previous table, my student names are ABC, XYZ, PQR. After perform this command, the student names are order ABC, PQR, XYZ. If you look at this previous table, first student name ABC, second student name XYZ, and third student name PQR. After perform this command, the student names are changed. First student ABC, second PQR, third XYZ. So alphabetical order follows. Okay, this is the output. Next, if you look at this, command is run. Okay, and open the SQL command line page and first create the student table. The command is create table student. Okay, next fields are student name. Name is character data, so data type is varchar of size 20. Bracket close, semicolon. Press enter key. Okay, table is created. After creating the table, values are inserted. The command is insert into student values. The first student name is first ampersand student name. STU name means student name. Okay, enclosed in quotations. Student's name enclosed in quotations because student name is character data. This is a string. So quotations open and close. Okay, press enter key. First student name is ABC. Okay, one row created. Reverse slash enter. Second student name XYZ. Enter. One row created. Total 2 rows are created. Next, reverse slash enter. Next student name is PQR. Okay, 3 rows created. After inserting the values and open the table, the command is select star from student. Semicolon. Okay, this command is used to display the student table. Okay, press enter key. This is the output. Next, to display data in descending order, the command is select star from student order by student name. STU name means student name. Semicolon. Enter. Okay. This is the output. In previous table, the student names are ABC, XYZ, PQR. After performing this command, order the student names are order wise. First ABC, second PQR, next XYZ. Okay. This is the output. Next. The next topic is, if you look at this, the next topic is by using the function field, okay, to impose a specific order on all values in a column, use the field function. The syntax is field of value, comma, string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, semicolon. First declare value, next declare the fields, that means the student names, okay. Example, create table student 1. First create the student 1 table and fields are student name. Name is the character data. So data type declared in varchar of size 20. One field completed. Next comma. Next student ID. Student ID is the number data. So data type declared in number of size 10. Okay. Bracket close, semicolon. Press enter key. Table is created. Student 1 table is created. After creating the table, the values are inserted. The command is insert into student 1 values, bracket open, ampersand student name, comma, student ID. There are two fields. One is student name, another one is student ID. Next, output is here. First, enter the value for student name. First student name is hello. Okay, ID is 1. Next, reverse slash enter. Next student name, second student name is MVR, ID is 2. Okay. Next third student name is hello, ID is 3. Okay. Next student name is college, ID is 4. Next student name MVR, ID is 5. Next student name is college, student ID is 6. Okay. These names are your choice. Next, after inserting the values, to display the table, the command is select star from student 1. Okay, this is the command for display the table. This is the student 1 table. The fields are student name and student ID. The first student name is hello, ID is 1. Next MVR, ID is 2. Hello, ID is 3. Next college, ID is 4. Next MVR, ID is 5. Next college, ID is 6. This is the student 1 table. Okay. Next, performing the field function. The command is select star from student, order by field of first declare name, comma, hello, comma, MVR, comma, college. That means this command is used to display the fields name, student names, order wise. Which order? First one hello, next MVR, next call. This order is follows in student table 1. Okay. In my table, the previous table, the names are here. Hello MVR, hello college, MVR college. After performing this command, the names are changed. First order is H. So print the hello data. Next print the MVR data. Next print the college data. This is the output for this command. Okay. Next, by using null values. When a sorted column contains null values, MySQL puts them all together in the sorted order. Okay, this is the employee table. First create the employee table. In employee table, the fields are name and value. Names are XYZ, MN and values are 300, null, 9. This is the employee table. Next. First, select value from employee. This command is used to display the values from employee. There are two fields in this table, employee table, name and value. I am displaying one value. Value field is only displayed. The command is here. Select value from employee. Only value field is displayed. Okay. 300, null, 9. Okay. Only one field is displayed. Next. Normally sorting puts the null values at the beginning. The command is select value from employee order by value. This command is used to display the values, beginning null values after digits. Okay. In previous table, beginning values after null values. This command is used to display beginning null values after digits. Okay. This is the command. This command is used to display the beginning null values. This is the output values null 3900. Okay. This is the example output. So thank you all for listening.